Ito nga pala si Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G, isang bagong smartphone na pinakilala ni Oppo. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung magkano to, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron itong 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Curved OLED display with 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution. May up to 120Hz refresh rate at may 240Hz touch sampling rate with Asahi Glass AGC screen protection, at ito ay may 950 nits peak of brightness. Ang Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G ay may operating system na ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 with MediaTek Dimensity 8200 4nm chipset na may Mali G610 MC6 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 12GB of RAM plus 12GB extended RAM with 512GB UFS 3.1 internal storage, at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G ay may triple rear camera setup with 50MP main camera with OIS plus 32MP telephoto camera plus 8MP ultra-wide camera with LED flash, HDR, and panorama, at kaya nitong mag-record ng video up to 4K at 60fps. Sa kanya namang selfie camera, meron siyang 32MP wide camera with HDR and panorama, at kaya nitong mag-record ng video up to 4K at 30fps. Sa battery, meron siyang 4,600 mAh battery capacity with 80W Super VOOC fast charging. Sa security naman nito, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock, at ito ay may loudspeaker. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 162.4 by 74.1 by 7.59 or 7.66mm at may timbang na 181 grams, at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, NFC, IR Blaster, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G ay around 30,000 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Peace!